Okay, here we are in my backyard, and I have to put a second coat of gesso on this big canvas. Now this I already stretched, but you understand how that was done. So I'm going to put another coat on that while I also get this gessoed for the first time. 2 coats on big ones, definitely. So then this is Loctite, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this because it's expensive stuff and it can get diluted a little bit just so that it flows more easily. So I'm just stirring it up, and then I'll show you the way we go with this. This is for all of my aspiring painters out here, and it's hard to see with the light. You are going to start by making sure there's no dirt or anything on your canvas, and then you're going to put it right in the center. And see how heavy and gloppy it is? And you make sure you get into all the pores of the canvas, all the fibers. And you start putting it on the inside, and then you work it to the outside of the canvas. And the reason we put this white stuff on it, it's essentially just acrylic. Really, really thick acrylic paint, which means it's a water-based paint, kind of like the tempera that we use in school, but much heavier, much heavier. If you're in middle school watching this, it's heavier than the paint that we were doing our sneakers with. It has a little more coverage. And I do this outside because it's messy, especially if you're doing a larger canvas like the one that I showed you that's waiting for coat number 2. And we put gesso on it so that the paint, when I put my oil paints on it, has something to stick to. Now notice I'm taking care not to get paint all the way up here onto this. You want to always keep your paint on the bristles. Ah, look at that bug. Go away, bug. There's a bug right on the canvas. So when I paint this, we won't see the gesso anymore, but it gives my oil paints something to cling to. All right, buggy. He's stuck. Okay, now I'm getting it all on here. Hopefully not on the table too much. In my messy backyard, my messy deck. And I'm just making sure that I'm scrubbing out all the lines. And now I'm going to put a nice big glob of it here on my corners. And then I'm going to let it dry for a while. And then probably do one more quick coat. Now this is easy to do. And it also, not only does it give my oil paint something to stick to, it tightens the canvas on here even more. Alright, and that's that. Hope you enjoyed stretching a canvas and priming. Now I'm going to take care of this big one over here. Bye guys.